Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another favorites video. I'm going to do my top 5 favorites for the month of November. So as I've mentioned in other top 5 favorite videos, this could include all kinds of things, not only products that I use in the salon. It could be an app, it could be an organization item, it could be a program or a class that I took. Basically anything that I have utilized in my nail studio that I either love or I have used a lot of in that month will be showcased today. So if this is something you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click that like and subscribe for me, and let's get started. Alright guys, so I have quite a few little goodies to show you. So starting off with number 1 is going to be my 7-tiered nail polish rack. So I think that I got it off of AliExpress. You guys, I have been buying so much stuff lately. So I will link everything below for you guys. So I've got this clear acrylic 7-tiered nail polish rack. Now where I purchased it from, you can actually get different, you can get like 3 tiers, 4 tiers, all the way up to 7, I believe. So what I use this for is actually to display all of my new items that I've purchased or I've received, and also my seasonal items. So it's right now next to me on my desk here. So I've currently got all of my like winter items. I do have a few little Christmas items as well. So I've got like my latest colors from GLAM that I've purchased. I've got new glitters. I've got all of my Christmas and winter stamping plates. I've put them out so I don't have to like dig through my drawer every time somebody wants, you know, a snowflake stamping plate. So if you are someone who tends to buy a lot of stuff like I do, and then you tuck it away in your drawer and then you forget about it, this is perfect. It works so well, because basically right now I have it sitting on my desk. My client sits down in front of me and the first thing they do is they look at that little shelf and they're like, what is this? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And if you have it close enough to them, I find if they can actually reach it, now of course, we always get our clients to wash their hands, so it's okay for them to touch it. They're always scared to touch it, but I am like, yeah, you can touch it. It's okay. It's close enough for them to touch. So my clients wash their hands upon entry, and then they come up into the nail room, and then I go down and I'm washing my hands. So while I'm washing my hands, I am not lying to you. Every time I come back up into this nail room, they've got their little fingers in this shelf, and it's totally okay. I want them to do that because they're looking at all the goodies, and then it encourages me to use them rather than throw the stuff in my drawer and I forget about it. I am telling you, if I go through my drawers right now, I will find things that I've probably bought in 10 years ago and have never used. So the other thing I want to mention is make sure that it is within reach of your clients and it is quite close to them, because originally I actually did put it back here on my shelf back here because I thought it would be better for me so that I could reach it really easily, but I definitely found that they were not gravitating towards it even remotely close to the same amount that they are gravitating towards it now. So I still wasn't encouraging myself to use it because it's behind me, I'm not seeing it. So having it right here next to me, and I can't really show you guys it, I can't really pick it up and show you because it's pretty heavy, but I will insert a little video or an image here for you guys to see. It is my most favorite thing that I have done in like forever. I am obsessed with it. It works so well. And I had posted it on my Instagram story, and I had so many girls reaching out to me, either tagging me in videos or DMing me that they also utilize some kind of a display rack, like just a tinier one or one the same size as me, and how it works so well. So number 1 for me has definitely got to be my 7-tiered nail polish rack. So you guys know I've always got to put some glitter in my top 5 favorites. So I've actually got 3. I could not choose. You guys know that I love Glitter Mix Canada. They have been super supportive of me. They have sent me goodies to show you guys. And so I actually just purchased some stuff from them on Black Friday as well that I'm excited to show you guys. I will do a little haul. I think I'm going to do like a Black Friday haul video. I also still have my massive haul video to show you guys. You guys, I have so much stuff in that box to show you. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put everything together and just do one huge gigantic haul, or I'm going to break it up into a Black Friday haul and a separate haul. I don't know yet, but anyways, I got lots of goodies to show you guys. So these three glitters are amazing. So I've really was kind of shocked that this one has been so popular, particularly because it is like just the traditional iridescent fine glitter that we have seen for years and years. It's nothing new, but let me tell you, I think that the reason these have been so popular, in particular this one, is because I actually have them sitting in my 7-tiered shelf, and this one was in the front. So this was the one that the clients seen the most. And then once I posted one picture, I'll show you the first picture that I posted, of a client's nails. I've had so many clients come in and just be like, oh, whatever that glitter was on those nails that had the 2 pointy nails and the 2 square nails, I want that one. And that was this guy. And it's crazy. Like in the photo, you will see it looks kind of green. And so I've just put it basically over a natural nail. I have not put any kind of like a white base or anything behind it, and it kind of shines more green. So it is really pretty. So that one is called Snow Fairy. And then also we've got Elsa, which is beautiful. A very, very like frozen themed chunky glitter. It's got the hexagon shapes. I showed this in one of my haul videos. I think it was my last haul video from Glitter Mix Canada. So it's like got fine, medium, and large, and I think small. So I think there might be 4 sizes in here. Really, really pretty. Very, very wintry. And then also Dazzling Diamond, another one, same kind of mix with the hexagon. And these two are different. You can see they are different. This one here, the Elsa, has more of like a teal kind of effect to it. And then Dazzling Diamond has more of like a blue. Very, very pretty. So I couldn't choose just one because I have used them a lot. And they are all perfect for winter designs. And of course, number 3, following with the winter theme, I have my favorite snowflake stamping plate. So I actually have another one as well that is a snowflake stamping plate, and I showed it in one of my other videos. And I used to use that one all the time, and I believe I purchased this one last year. There's no brand to it. I got it on eBay. I will of course link everything below for you guys. But I have not even reached for the other one. This one has way more like delicate snowflakes to it. It is so pretty. And they transfer very well. Like the grooves are deep enough. I haven't had any issues. If I've had any issues, it's simply because I'm using some really old nail polish that I've probably had for like 3 years. And I just don't want to get rid of it because I hate wasting. So I just keep adding acetone to it. So if I've had any issues, it's not the stamping plate, because when I've used brand new stamping polish on it, it's perfect. So if you guys can get your hands on this one, I really love the fact also that it has so many tiny snowflakes as well, and then it just has such intricate ones, and they're all so different. There's so many on this plate. So I have used this a ton. I mean, I'll be posting some pictures in here while I'm talking to you guys, and you will see I've used it so much. So this definitely has to go on my top 5 favorites for the month of November. So number 4 is a perfect example of purchasing something and throwing it in your drawer and never using it. That's where these came from. These came from the back of my drawer. So I purchased these probably a year ago. I don't even know. And they are from Born Pretty, and they're stamping gels. So on their website, they call them stamping gels. So originally I purchased them to use them with stamping, and I never used them because I just always gravitated towards my trusty old stamping nail polish. But I recently found out that you can actually use these to hand paint art. I don't know why I didn't even think of that in the beginning. Now, again, if you guys have been following me on Instagram or any of my social medias or even on YouTube, I have mentioned that I am looking for some art paints. I want something really pigmented, something, I don't even know what all the requirements. I just wanted something really pigmented. One of the things that I was looking for ideally was a kit, so something that came in a kit rather than having to buy all individual colors. So the 2 that were highly, highly recommended to me were the Ugly Duckling, I forget what they're called, but they're like a gel paint, and then also the Young Nails, what is it? I always forget. Mission Control, I think it's called. Mission Control, I think that's what it's called. So I've been humming and hawing. I haven't purchased either of them. I've kind of just been getting like lots of feedback, and honestly, it's pretty 50-50. The people who have used both of them have given me such good feedback, and so many people like so many things about the Ugly Duckling ones, and so many people love so many things about the Young Nails ones. So that's why I haven't purchased them yet. But when I realized I had these in my drawer, I was like, let me see if I can just like use these to do art with them. So they cure tack-free, they are extremely pigmented, and it looks like it's such a tiny amount. I don't even know how much is in here. So there's only 8 mils in here, but you use such a small amount that this is going to last me forever. So I went back onto eBay, went onto the Born Pretty store and looked to see if they had a kit, and I got 14 of them. So I don't have them yet. I just ordered them. But honestly, I will probably get the most use out of the white and the black. I recently was playing around with a buffalo plaid design and I used this black one. Amazing. It's so pigmented, you barely need any. And I've been doing a ton of snowflakes, and you can even hand paint a snowflake and then sprinkle some of, like, well, for example, this snow fairy glitter. You could sprinkle some of that into the snowflake, which I have done, and it cures tack-free and it's awesome. So I had to add these in because I am obsessed, and I cannot wait until I get all of the other colors. Like I said, I've got 14 coming. 2 of them will be a white and black, so I'll have double white and black. But I will let you guys know when I get them, and I'll probably do like a demo and just see how they work and if they're the exact same. I'm hoping, because I purchased these ones quite a long time ago, that they are the exact same ones. But this definitely has to go in my top 5 favorites for November because I've been using them so much. All right, and last but not least are these brushes. So again, these are from eBay. You guys, like, eBay has just done me so well over the years. I purchased these ones quite a while ago. They are in one of my way older haul videos for sure, and I just kind of started pulling them out to use them when I was doing the snowflake designs. And let me tell you, I've only been using mostly the longer one and the shorter one, but they are really beautiful haired bristles. They are really pointy, and also I have been doing my diligence to make sure that I clean my brushes with gel instead of with alcohol, which is obviously preserving the bristles a lot more, and so that also I think is helping. Now these were super cheap. I actually just found some new brushes on eBay that I purchased. Again, we have no idea how long things are going to take to get from eBay, because sometimes you get it in 2 weeks, sometimes you get it in 3 months. So I'll let you guys know when I get them, but they're really pretty. They've got rose gold and white handles. The only thing that I would say that I don't love about these is that they don't have a cover on them, because my brushes sit in my brush holder on my desk, which is also, I've talked about it in one of my other top 5 favorites from Amazon, and I absolutely love that brush holder. Love it. But it is clear. So it's a clear acrylic brush holder. So, you know, I'm always concerned that, like, maybe my bristles, if any kind of sunlight, I generally don't have my blinds open in my room, but if I do open them, I am concerned sometimes that maybe the gel will get cured on these type of brushes that don't have covers on them. So the new ones that I have coming do have covers, but let me tell you, these are actually really good brushes. I do wish that there was an even shorter one. I know also Fusion is coming out, or has come out with a 3 set of nail art brushes, and the one that's short looks super tiny and perfect, and I've heard really great things about them. But if you are in a pinch and you are looking to save some money, I will link these below for you guys, because these are amazing. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. There was a lot of stuff that I really loved this month. You know, last month when I did my top 5 favorites, I don't know what it was, but I kind of had a hard time actually choosing top, like, 5 favorites. I did use the items and I liked them, but this month I'm really excited about these. I just really enjoyed all of these items a lot. So if you don't have these items, I would highly recommend getting them. Particularly like the brushes, the gel, I mean everything. All 5 of them are just like, you need them. I'm not even gonna tell you that you might need them. No, you need them, especially if you want to do any type of wintry nail art. This is perfect. And yes, they're from eBay. You won't get them probably in time for winter this year, but there's always next year. So if you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone else. Leave any questions or comments that you have in the comment section below. And as always, guys, have a great day.